This episode is brought to you by MobileTech.com. No! Oh, I hate it when it's a sponsor message at the start of a video. Oh. I'm in Manchester and wow, that is a lot of pigeons. And it's random lift tour time. Now to the first lifts, which have been horribly modernised and are now totally crap.
Doors closing. Going up.
I'm getting bored. I'm getting very bored. I'm getting extremely bored. Why do they have to modernise this old lift? Hey, Al, what did you think of that last lift? I liked it. Get lost. Oh, that Al has no taste in lifts. And now to the next lifts, which are some nice glass kissing cups. But annoyingly, these keep on stopping to pick up passengers. Here I am at the top of the shopping centre. Let's look directly downwards. No, camera slipping, don't drop camera. Oh, phew, I almost dropped the camera. And now to the next lift, which is a smaller fishing club.
Doors open. Level 1, upper mall. Doors open.
And now to the next lift, which is a nice eco disc. Hold on a moment, this isn't a real eco disc. This is a lift that's been modernised to look like an eco disc. And now along to Marks and Spencer's, which has some very nice glass lifts.
Going up.
Stand clear of the doors, please.
Second floor. Doors opening. Going down.
Stand clear of the doors, please.
And now to a shop opposite, which is Selfridges, which also has some nice glass lifts. These lifts go one floor higher than Marks and Spencer's ones.
Going up.
Stand clear of the doors, please.
Stand clear of the doors, please, you twat.
Third floor. Doors opening.
Stand clear of the doors, please.
Basement. Doors opening.
And now to the next lift. No, wait. Before we can go any further with this lift tour, I must talk about our wonderful sponsor. sponsor, mobiletech.com, because if it wasn't for them, this episode of It's Lift Tour Time would just not be possible. So please go on to their website. No! Oh, I hate these stupid sponsor messages. And now going outside of the shopping centre and along to the really old looking Victorian shopping centre. But sadly the lift here isn't Victorian. And now along to Boots, which has a Pickering's lift. Oh dear, this lift looks crap. This isn't Pickering's quality. This is crap generic quality. Oh look, staff only buttons. Yes, press them. Oh, I don't work. I want to go to a staff only floor. Stupid lift. And now, that is all of the lifts in this shopping centre, and after this I went walking around the outskirts of Manchester, as Manchester has some really grotty parts. But I failed. I didn't manage to find a single grotty bit. There's quite a few grotty looking buildings, but on the inside they're all modern and clean. Oh, this is so annoying. But I did find some nice original old road surfaces. But I didn't manage to find any interesting lifts. I did find a few lifts on the outskirts of Manchester, but these were all stupid generics, and I didn't bother to film those. There are so many generic lifts nowadays. They're all installed by stupid, horrible, uninspiring generic lift companies. What follows is the typical mindset of someone who owns a generic lift company. Hey everybody, I just passed my lift course. I'm so excited. I know, I'll set up my own lift company. Because nowadays you don't even have to manufacture anything to install a lift. You're just buying all the parts. I know, what should I call my lift company? I'll call it something which makes me sound posh. I know, I'll call it High Tech Lift. That'll trick the suckers into buying my lifts. Wait! Someone's already called their lift company High Tech Lifts. I know what I'll do. I'll name my crappy lift company after a real lift company that no longer exists. That'll trick those idiots into buying my lifts. I'll call myself the Express Lift Alliance. Wait, someone's already called themselves that. I know. I'll call myself the Evans Lift Alliance. Now, all I have to do is set up a snazzy looking website so people think I'm professional. That's nice and easy to do. Done it! That was easy. All I had to do was write loads of pretentious stuff about how wonderful my lifts are, and that'll trick all those idiots into buying them. And the main thing about my lift company is I like Dewhurst. All my lifts are going to have Dewhurst buttons. I'm on a mission to replace all the lift buttons in the whole of England into Dewhurst. Any interesting or historic lifts will be replaced with Dewhurst. Let's replace everything with Dewhurst. Do you own an interesting or historic lift? Because I'll replace it with Dewhurst. Because I'm an idiot who loves Dewhurst. Because everything has to be Dewhurst. Hey! What are you doing? Let go of me! Let go